Hi, I'm Alan McRobbie at Sailing Company, and today we're looking at the EMC test design electric field strength meter system. And this is for doing, just basic measurements out in the field if you've got some interesting phenomenon going on that you want to test, or if you want to just do some exposure limits testing or see how things are working. This is a handy little portable device that you can take out there that's, as you can see, there's a lot of black boxes here. The company likes black boxes. But at any rate, this is a pretty rugged unit. They make two of these different models. One is a manually ranging unit, and this is the top of the line auto ranging unit. It's the Model 5. And they also make 9 different probes that go with these units. And 8 of them are for electric field strength, and 1 of them is for magnetic. So we'll talk about the meter for a little bit here. What this is it's as I mentioned, it's an auto-ranging meter that has the ability to store calibration constants and linearization curves in it for 4 different transducers. And it has a color display up here that's menu driven. And you use these soft keys around it to poke what selections you want. The information about the calibration constants on these is contained on this SD card in here, and so it's easy to return this for calibration and just have the card updated, put it in here, and you're all set to go, like that. The unit can be used with a computer or operated remotely. One of the ways you use it with a computer is through this this modem, which just fits right on the back or the bottom of the unit like this, and it has a USB terminal underneath here for communication and also for charging the unit here. And this is helpful so that you can upload the information that you get from the logger in here or from the SD card. And you can then use it to draw graphs or other things that you need to do to analyze your results. The other interface that is available is this one here, which I'm going to drag out so you can see it. This is a fiber optic link right here. I've just got it attached to a wad of fiber optic cable. But this fits on the same way. This unit here with the 2 jacks on it goes on this, and then here we just have our USB connection right there to your PC. If a situation makes it difficult for you to be in the same area, you can set this thing up, in the vicinity of the electric field you're trying to measure, and then run this cable elsewhere, and then you can have your PC more or less remotely located. So that's what that's good for. Okay, and I mentioned that there were 9 different probes. The probes here are, by necessity, all created from plastic pieces. So the little tripod and the wand that you hold the thing on and the housing are all plastic. Inside this little housing, there's 3 antenna elements that are all mutually perpendicular or normal to each other. So no matter how you position the probe, you should get pretty good readings on the thing. When you have small displays like this, or displays in a portable device, everybody always asks me, is it sunlight readable? Well, the answer is sort of. You can see it out in the direct sunlight if you tilt the display a little bit so that the sun isn't falling directly on it. The display is set far enough back inside so you can still read it in a brightly lit area. So it's useful out in the field, even on a sunny day. So this particular probe here is it's a 3 megahertz to 18 gigahertz model, and certain of the probes that they sell come with this other item here called the field gauge. And field gauge is a little go no go tester that you simply insert the probe itself right into here, and there's a little button in the bottom. You depress it, and this box generates a little electric field that this sensor can read and then display on the unit here. It's not a substitute for calibration, but you can use it just to make sure that your system is working out in the field if necessary. The other thing that I should mention is that calibration is everything with these units, and these are NIST-traceable, calibrated, and the certificate comes with all the different pieces. So that's about all I have to say about that, except that they recommend that you send stuff back every couple of years or so for a recalibration. So that's just a little introduction into this new unit that we have here. These people have been in business since 1992 making this equipment. So they have a lot of experience in this particular field, no pun intended. So anyway, give me a call if you have any questions on this. There's basically many different ranges in both field strength and bandwidth for the different probes. So give me a call and we can discuss which probe or accessory might be useful for you. So anyway, thanks for watching.